The future energy ecosystem is not going to be made up of a single source. It has to be multiple sources from different locations, deep down in the earth, way out in the desert, in the middle of the ocean. That's our future.
The sun is the most powerful energy source at our disposal. It provides enough renewable energy in just 1 hour to power all humankind's activities for 1 year.
Newer solutions, newer technologies are really crucial when it comes to building out of the norm.
Renewable energy is important to me because it's our future. This is the first step that we can take to make a change.
For Switzerland, close to 60% of the whole electricity comes from water. So for us it's clear, it has a very important role in the future.